senyakali eriyalega kunyora obukomi tuguswa busonigo abanyakerogo Public Service Board County Council iminsi ya Kenya nigo litwalira bakumira ase omubuganyamo imiro muchobosobo erigo chaka egeikaro kyabo kyamatko atatari bosyogo kwalira egatyabo buna bantu bakwewa mabagaye kigasi wanchirira iyo ase sekali chikati eri yayanda make nigo musakata kurubuke kaunti ya Kisii Ubebo oyunine bakalo kaunti ya Kisii ya oba omokulu kombe
Abanyakerogo ba Public Service Board kurwa ase County Chonsi imensi ya Kenya nigo bomerana lero ime county ya Kisii ase ogochaka egikaro kyabo aso kwanira igore yamangana balengete elyo kugenderia egasi yabo kebwikiranu nase barabe bakumerana kero emetyenyene ase county bakoragwa no munyakerogo Public Service Board county ya Kisii oyonande ochode kochia koba omukonyi wo mugabana we county ya Kisii Elijah Obebo nigo akwanire ekerenga kyabo
ekerenge kenene ky'omukutano y'abaminto no make sure nga amangana ya Service Board akwanirwe okolika okuya kwengencho erinda abantu betu banyore obokoreri obuya nga kigobwente kokorekana amasikani yijiya persons yaba abanyakerogo aba nga kyabwente koba gojase the excellencies the governors ngenchoki barasike governor na ngenchoki governor barabasike in return. We are saying no. Nje muno munyakerogo Kisii county we are saying no. Etoko chikolika muno mheshimiwa Simbago Teba his excellency the governor. He wants honesty. He wants haki. He wants obomaene. Egero ndibwensi yogoja. Onyole bahati yokonyole mirimo ataliko kusumbuliwa.
Vipi lile gurudumu la maendeleo, gurudumu la yule mfanyikazi ambaye tutamchagua sisi as Public Service Board ataweza kuendeleza uchumi ya nchi hii, kwa sababu an employee is an asset to the county.
Nigo batebire egatieme chandeli bagweterenga kibabeire a service ase batebire mbache koligeria enchinchera barabwati lyokyania emechando buneyo.
Na pia boards wetu nyingi zimepata changamoto nyingi ambazo tutadiscuss hii leo. One of it ni hizo za impeachment, kama Kakamega walipata hizo shida, lakini tunashukuru Mungu saa hizi wako sawa. Alafu Trans Nzoia, they have been attacked by goons. So those are some of the issues and challenges which we will address, and how do we move forward from there. We have to be united in our quest for accountability, for our quest for better human resource management. So ni muhimu sote tufanye kazi kwa amani, tufanye kazi kwa upendo, na ni muhimu pia tufanye kazi kwa uwazi, because uwazi huo ndio utatufanya sisi tuwe sehemu ambazo hatukutarajia tutakuwa.
Asinga kechoni gobagokera ogochora kwa mugabana we county ya Kisii aso mukonyo ya Soborai ase batebire mbuya aso ogochora oyo mobo egento kyaire abange a service yo uchikoba abayigenwa aso kubwatia emwebekano bunoyo.
Na tunampongeza mwenzetu Elijah Obebo, mwenyekiti sasa wa Kisii ambaye amechaguliwa kuwa naibu wa gavana. Tunakutakia mema na tunatoa heko kwa gavana kwa kufanya uamuzi huo. Inamaanisha kwamba hata sisi wenyekiti tunaweza kupewa chukumu ya kuwa governors and deputy governors.
We are gathered here to discuss our issues, some of our challenges, as well as our milestones we've made as far as the boards are concerned. And how do we now work and collaborate with our stakeholders as well as the executive. I mean, working together with the executive, like now our chair of Kisii County right now is actually an incoming deputy governor. Yaonyesha ya kuwa ukifanya kazi with loyalty, dedication and accountability, kila mtu tutafika mahali pale tunatakikana.
Golipotania egeteseni Kandizi TV, eleseriane Mildred Momanyi.